Well, hello everybody. I am, this is a go over. I will put the creation of the original piece at the end of this video to let you know how I did it. It was just a little piece, an outback Australia colours look, and I wanted to create like magpies sitting on the branches. But my magpies ended up looking like penguins, and it was just a fun little piece. I thought I'd try that wasn't fluid art, but creating those little bird-looking things with my balloon as I did. But anyway, this one is a go-over. So I'm going over with this lovely sort of earthy sand colour that I actually made that colour out of a burnt sienna with some metallic gold in it, so it is quite sparkly. And I wanted to do some real nice earthy colours, but with metallics in there to create a sparkling finish in my paints. And it was basically using that little canvas, reusing that little canvas. And I'm lucky enough that obviously the canvas had dried with the previous piece on it. And when I went over with this particular little creation, it hasn't cracked or anything, so very happy with that. Now what I've just put down there is white, and the colour that I'm using there is burnt umber, but I did add some metallic gold to that too. Not much, it just gives it takes it from being so dark and gives it a really nice sparkle. And then, of course, this is one of my favourites and that I use all the time. So I've always got a container like that I keep pre-mixed. And this is, I call it champagne gold, and it's 50% metallic gold and 50% metallic silver. So this is the burnt umber without anything in it, so a little bit darker than with the previous one with the gold. So I'm just puddling my paints over the surface, and each colour I'm sort of keeping in mind that I want real earthy looking. But this colour was the navy. I'm not sure if that's the actual name. It's a Solid Solutions brand, and I wanted to put obviously a pop in with those, another colour in there with the earthy colours. So I've got my navy in there. And then the final 2 bits of paint that I add, so that is the Amsterdam with only Floetrol in it. So it actually, I'll get some cells in these puddles, and then I will add, I thought I added white on top of that. I'm going crazy at the moment, but I will be doing like dry balloon kisses in there, meaning I just kissing my balloon in there and re-kissing it and getting some beautiful medallion effects.
I was counting my blessings, I felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd.
You can actually see the fine details in the balloon kissing, like, it sort of develops before your eyes, like then the paint starts doing its work and those cells are popped up. But what I really like about this particular technique, it's not only balloon kissing, you see the medallion around the balloon kiss, so it sort of adds another sort of dimension to it. It makes it almost look 3D floating there. And then to do those little balloon rolls like autumn leaves around the piece, this one really turned out beautiful, really worthy of probably a resin coat, or there's definitely a nice coat of varnish to seal it and keep it all preserved. So really enjoyed this one, whizzing over with my heat wand, which just bursts any air bubbles in there and helps the paint absorb into the canvas. So what I'm doing with this little bit of black is just a little bit more detail in the centre. It adds another dimension with a smaller balloon again, look. See, it sort of really adds more detail again, and the process is just so relaxing. I just love it. You definitely should try it if you haven't tried it, and don't knock it. My balloon kissing can definitely give so many fine details that I personally could not achieve doing with just hand painting. I just can't. It's almost like photographs, because I have been accused, oh, that is AI, because you would never get that detail with painting. But there you go, do get that detail with my balloon kissing. So always happy to do it, and it is, yes, definitely my signature piece. Just like every painter or artist has sort of pieces of art that you can tell is theirs, because they do it's their signature, and it's definitely my signature doing the balloon kisses. I love it. So my beauties, please take care. Don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, there is a helpline you can call if you don't have a family member or a friend. So don't suffer in silence. Get in and do some painting. It is so therapeutic and so worthwhile. Okay, enjoy the rest of the week, and I will be back very soon.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I've known quiet and slow? I try my best to move on, to let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest. Tell me, did you know that you would believe in me just like the winners know? Tell me and be honest. Tell me, should I know that you believe in me? So painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, letting go. Letting go. leaving me just like the winter snow. Tell me and be honest, tell me should I've known